In this video, I'm going to show you how you can flip a video clip in Shotcut so that it turns from left to right. As you can see, this person is facing on the left and I'd like him to face on the right. So let me show you how you can flip any video in Shotcut. Unfortunately, in Shotcut, they don't use the word flip. If you use the flip function in Shotcut, it will turn your video upside down. So to switch the position from left to right, go ahead and tap on filters here, and then choose the option called add a filter. And then from this, go ahead and search for a function called mirror. And here we go. If we tap on this mirror, you can see our video has now changed and now he's facing the other direction. He's now facing on the right direction. That's how you flip a video in Shotcut. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.